Jubu learns.
Hello kids, do you like rain walk with an umbrella? Let's see how to draw an umbrella. Take a pencil and draw a semicircle as shown in the video. Now draw curves. Erase the line as shown in the video. Then mark a center point in semicircle. Draw two straight lines using scale. Curve it as shown in the video. Then join these points. Take a marker. Now highlight it. It's coloring time. First, color in red color. Now, orange color. Now blue color. Now purple color. Now pink color. Wow, it's going to get over. For the handle of the umbrella, color it in brown color. Again highlight. Now draw small circles and wave designs. Small triangles. Curve lines. Small rounds. Umbrella ready. Hope it's raining.